Hello, my quilting family. I mentioned in the last video that we put up that I probably needed to clean my iron. You should do this about once a month. So what I've got here is an iron with black, brown marks in here, and I can show you a fast and simple way of cleaning it. It's going to take some baking soda. Now I'm just going to put a bit in here, probably about 2 tablespoons. Probably is too much, but that's okay. Baking soda is cheap. I need my iron today because I'm working on my next project, when zebras wear lip gloss. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water into the cup like this and make a little paste out of it. Okay, just adjust this camera a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it. Just stir it up. It probably needs a little more baking soda now. I put too much water in. Oh well. I've got other things I can clean. It's fine. There we go. And you're going to make a thick paste with this. And now you're going to take your a Kleenex. And you're just going to get this paste onto the Kleenex. It doesn't have to be. And you're going to just start scrubbing lightly on the surface of your faceplate. And what will happen is that brown will come off and your iron will be nice and clean. And if big chunks fall off, that's okay, just put them back. There. This baking soda is non-abrasive on your faceplate, so you can really get in there and get some scrubbing happening. But it does take a while. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna get another Kleenex. And you see it does start to clean it very quickly. And it's cheap. You can use this very quickly. You don't have to spend a lot of money on those iron cleaners. I don't have to clean the inside of my iron because I never put water in it. So you don't have to descale it. There. That one little bit in there is real stubborn. Look how black it is. Look how black that is. So it's still taking off stuff. There. I'm going to put it on its side here. Just change for a bit. Change the angle of this just a hair. You can see I'm going to really get in there. I got a couple spots in here that just will not come out. Now you can see I'm plugging my steam vents, which is fine because that'll all fall out once it's dried. But this is a cold iron, so well, it's starting to look pretty good. Or you can take a Q-tip or and clean it out. That's there we go. And it will just pop out. All this stuff will just pop out on its own. Yeah. But you can take a Q-tip, clean it out. Or just iron some wet cloth and it'll come out. All these little steam vents. I don't use steam because I don't put iron in my... But that's me. You can, if you use steam and you're happy and you haven't stretched any of your blocks, they're starting to look really good. There's one little spot right there, and I think it's... Well, I'll give it one more shot. If you use steam on your blocks and you don't have a problem, good for you. But I've ruined a few blocks just by putting too much steam, and I had my fabric stretch, so it's all up to you. There's no quilt police. Everybody has a slightly different way of doing things, and you know, and if it's working, it's working. There. That's good enough for now. I don't have... Okay, so there we go. That's our cleaned iron. Okay, if you have any questions about this, just let me know, and I'll just clean out the little steam holes with a Q-tip and some water, and it'll be fine. Okay, bye! If you have questions about what you saw in this video, or you have ideas for content or something you want to see us do, please put those comments in the description below. But also, while you're there, like, share, and subscribe with your friends. That would really help us out. Okay, I want to thank you and have a great day.